Requesting time off. Let's first learn some useful English words. Annual leave. I'd like to use 5 days of my annual leave in October. PTO, paid time off. Can I use some PTO hours to leave early on Friday? Coverage. We need to arrange coverage for your projects while you're gone.
Hi, Jihan, come on in. You mentioned you wanted to talk about taking some time off?
Yes, thank you for meeting with me. I'd like to request a week of vacation in September to visit my family in Korea.
Of course. Let me pull up the calendar. Which week in September were you thinking?
I was hoping for the week of September 19th through the 27th. With the weekend, that would give me 9 days total.
Okay, so you're looking at September 19th through the 27th, which is 5 business days, plus the weekend before and after.
Exactly. I'd use 5 days of my annual leave for the weekdays.
Got it. And do you have enough annual leave available? Let me check your balance. You currently have 8 days of annual leave remaining for this year.
And I was also thinking, would it be possible to use some PTO hours? That way I could catch an earlier flight.
You have 32 hours available, so that should be fine.
Great, thank you.
And you're requesting this now, which is about 5 months in advance. That's perfect. It gives us plenty of time to plan coverage.
Yes, that's correct. I wanted to make sure I gave enough notice.
I appreciate that. Let me take a look at what's on the schedule for that week and see if we need to arrange anything. Okay, so Marcus could handle any urgent issues that come up during testing. What about the client reports?
I was thinking I could prepare them in advance. I'd finish the reports for that week before I leave and schedule them to send automatically.
That works, and if any clients have questions while you're gone,
I could set up an out-of-office message directing them to you or Marcus for urgent matters.
that sounds like a solid plan. And if anything urgent comes up that only you can handle, would you be reachable?
Absolutely. I'll create a handoff document with all the details. I'll have my phone and email, but the time difference is pretty significant. Korea is 13 hours ahead.
Understood. We'll only reach out for any urgent matter. Otherwise, you should enjoy your time with your family. All right, I'm happy to approve this. Let me just make a note of the dates in the system. Okay, you're all set. I'll send you a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you so much, Lewis. I really appreciate your flexibility.
Of course, you've earned it.
Must-know phrases. I'd like to request a week of vacation. I'd like to request a week of vacation. Would it be possible to use some PTO hours? Would it be possible to use some PTO hours? I wanted to give enough advance notice. I wanted to give enough advance notice.